She should have just told her kid I was a jerk or something and moved on. But if she did, I wouldn't be posting this. Instead, she leaves her car behind, walks up behind me, and grabs my shoulder. It's at this point I should mention that I have Sadie because of my PTSD. Now, usually it's controllable. I'm on meds to help with anxiety, and I'm in therapy, don't usually have a problem. Heck, I even love music festivals and raves, and I've only had a problem one time when I was trying to leave EDC early and got stopped at the gate because they were about to set off fireworks and something about the bangs being close enough to feel the vibration from that thing where it was expensive. I guess with everything that's been going on and not having to worry about people randomly grabbing me and stuff, I kind of let my guard down a bit. This set me off though, and without even thinking, I grabbed her hand and spun around, twisting her arm, pushed her as hard as I could, sending her sprawling to the ground. What the heck is wrong with you? I yelled, and I said some other stuff, but I was mad, and honestly don't remember what I said. Something about no means no, and I don't want her nasty hands on me. At this point, Sadie had gotten between us and her stance, and it began to bark, loudly and repetitively, as she's been trained so she can get someone's attention. I noticed that Sadie was off her leash because somehow the kid had gotten in front of my cart and unhooked it. Luckily, Sadie is the best girl and doesn't need a leash to do her job. She never even thought about running and just stood in front of me barking. The stupid kid was crying after seeing what happened to his mom and getting scared that the cute puppy was now looking pretty darn mean. Now, Sadie wouldn't hurt a fly, but this woman didn't know that, and Sadie has a very intimidating bark. Without even standing up, this woman was scrambling to get back from her and grabs at her cart to stand up. Of course, employees start running to see what's going on, and when one gets there, she asks what's going on. Entitled Mom, "This man's dog tried to attack me. I was just trying to get his attention and it bit me." Now, I've browsed this sub enough to know where this was headed, and I wasn't in the mood. Me. Look, just call the cops and grab the camera footage. I'm not gonna play the he said, she said game. The employee calls for the manager, who calls the cops, and asks us to come to the front office to get things sorted out. We start to head toward the front office, but once there, Entitled Mom says she doesn't have time for this and has places to be and just walks out of the store. No one tries to stop her, but the manager looks at the footage and prints off her face to put on the banned people wall, and when the cops arrive, they say there's nothing they can do since she already left. I got employee discount for my food, which was nice, but left in a pretty bad mood because of the interaction. After getting home, I gave Sadie a small slab of steak for being such a good girl, and I just took a shower and went to bed. Didn't get anything done that I needed to, but it had been a long day, and I was extra annoyed. So that's it, sadly. No real repercussions for Karen, other than maybe a bruiser or two where she hit the tiles and a traumatized kid. But if this sub is any indication, Karens don't learn from stuff like that. Here's hoping the kid learned a thing or two, at least. You definitely haven't seen this video yet, so come watch it and we'll see you when you get there. And join as a channel member today and we'll give you a special shout out in our next video. And we've still got 1 week left that we can make you a happy holidays video for your family. Just come visit us on our Fiverr, link pinned in the comments below.
Hello my wonderful, beautiful friends, welcome back to r/pro revenge. In this episode, you're going to hear 3 revenge stories. The first, a delivery driver gets fired because of OP, then goes after him. The second story, OP and his friends get revenge on a person who keeps blocking his car in. And we'll finish off with a story about why you should never be lazy in school and